Usumbut mitrang ba kejela ba perstun tensong hak sithot dieng ulong ba ka BJP kala ban mino nak sarkar MDA lada kasngo ba kim hun ya korukom trikam. Katai kejingkren jong Deputy Chief Minister kadai halo kejingkeno da kinoi lam ke jong ka BJP ba kadon ke jimbam sab ba serkai haki district council jong kejela nolor kiwe pan. Nolor katau ba perstun lo ongru ba wat la kinoi lam BJP ki kentho jori ka sarkar MDA henry kam judan pan kanu kejimpen pau nak MLA jongka.
Naman iladon from day one bagi tahu ya ke MD government. From day one itself kita dulu ke coordination committee. Tengah orang pi ke leadership jom ke BJP state unit BJP. Kiro telung member na haka ba presiden but way na ki MLA kita ki member jom kata coordination committee. Haba pidon ko mungkin kita isu balai pemaran. Bagi ni discuss bagi ni grant. Nah tadi dia kata apa? Ngamun ban omba ngin buri no. Andai balik ko ra ka korsion ngin ye kren. Tendai karkom lek joki kamdei hata lenti ka bade. Dia bagi kren kata kamut ban om bagi kwa ban buri. Ya kino kisu. Andai lada piwan hakalenti ka bade ni kren. Nanta jointly nakalian government rengkat pat kitu ki concern party. We walk out. No, kita nomor porok ini parti, ki partners yang ikut negara ini. We are against illegal, as I said to you, any illegal activities. We are against it. If you talk about PDF, they are so responsible by submitting a memorandum or coming to the table of the chief minister discussing about this issue. But why I reacted very strongly as far as BJP leadership, state leadership is concerned, you keep talking in the press. But I told you, I think few weeks back, we do have a forum, we do have a proper platform. I think they knew it well also. Come to the table. Bring us the memorandum, bring us the papers, so we will take action accordingly. We will take action accordingly. Investigation, so on and so forth. But my only concern is this. See, if you are not comfortable, because you are also part of the government, you are free to leave. If you are not comfortable, I think you are free to leave the MDA government. I think that is the best way to do. Don't keep criticizing at the same time you want to walk in the MDA. See, what is this? You get my point?